Once upon a time, in a small, dusty village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a boy named Arjun. His family was kind but very poor, and life in their tiny, one-room house was a constant struggle. Arjun's father worked as a farmer, toiling under the scorching sun, while his mother spent her days weaving baskets to sell in the market. Though they didn't have much, the family shared a strong bond. They would sit together every evening, laughing over simple meals of rice and lentils. But as Arjun grew older, he began to notice the weariness in his parents' eyes. One day, after dinner, his father placed a heavy hand on his shoulder. "Son," he said gently, "you've grown strong and smart. It's time for you to step out into the world and try to make a better life for yourself and for us. We'll always support you, but the time has come for you to carve your own path." Arjun nodded, though his heart felt heavy. He didn't want to leave his family, but he knew they needed help. The next morning, armed with nothing but a small cloth bundle of bread and dried fruit, Arjun set off toward the big city he'd heard so much about. When he arrived, the city was bustling and overwhelming. He saw grand buildings that touched the sky and people, dressed in clothes, finer than anything he had ever imagined. But no one paid attention to a boy in dusty clothes. For weeks, Arjun searched for work. He carried heavy loads for shopkeepers, swept floors, and even sang songs in the market for coins. It wasn't much, but he saved every bit he could. However, no matter how hard he worked, it never felt like enough. One evening, as he sat under a large banyan tree, counting his meager coins, an old man approached him. The man's beard was white as snow, and his eyes twinkled like stars. "You look troubled, young one," the old man said kindly. "What's on your mind?" Arjun hesitated, but then poured out his heart. "I want to help my family, but no matter how hard I work, I'm still so far from my goal. I don't know what else to do." The old man listened patiently, then smiled. "Hard work is important, but so is thinking big. Tell me, what is it that you're truly good at? Something that sets you apart?" Arjun thought for a moment. Back in his village, he had a knack for solving problems. Whether it was fixing a broken wheel or finding lost goats, people often came to him for help. The old man's eyes sparkled. "Then why not use that skill? Start small, help people solve their problems, and they will see your value. Once they trust you, opportunities will come." Inspired by the old man's words, Arjun decided to try. He started helping people in the city with small tasks, fixing broken carts, finding lost items, even giving advice. Word of his kindness and cleverness spread, and soon people began paying him for his help. One day, a wealthy merchant approached Arjun with a complicated problem. His shipments were getting lost on the way to the market. Arjun studied the routes, spoke to the drivers, and discovered a way to make the journey safer. The merchant was so impressed that he offered Arjun a permanent job managing his deliveries. Years passed, and Arjun's hard work and problem-solving skills turned the merchant's small business into a thriving enterprise. Grateful, the merchant made Arjun a partner. With his newfound wealth, Arjun returned to his village. When he arrived, his family couldn't believe their eyes. He had built them a sturdy new house and brought enough money to ensure they'd never struggle again. But more than that, Arjun had brought back the lesson he'd learned. Success isn't just about working hard. It's about believing in yourself and using your unique gifts to make the world better. And from that day on, Arjun and his family lived happily, always helping others just as he had been helped.